Okay, in this video we're going to troubleshoot an ON TV that keeps crashing back to the login screen, to the selected login screen. You might have an app running, you might be having Amazon Prime or something like that running, Netflix, and then it crashes and it goes back to this screen. So let's go ahead and troubleshoot on how to fix that. One thing I want you to do is turn off the TV, and then what you're going to do is you're going to unplug it from the wall to where it's completely unplugged. You're going to locate the power button, which on most ON TVs it's right here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the power button for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Just keep holding it down. Let go. Maybe wait another minute. Plug it back in. Turn it on. And then see if it will play without crashing. I know a lot of people have success with that where it'll work a full day, and then after a day it'll start doing it again. Next solution would be to just do a software update on, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do that now. So to do that, what you're going to do is click on the home button and go all the way down to settings, and then from there what you're going to do is go all the way to the right, and then you want to go to System, all the way down here. You're going to go to the right, and then you can go down, and you want to click on Software Update. You want to click that and see if it has any updates whatsoever, and then you want to see if it works. And last but not least is to do a full factory restore of your TV like it was out of the box. And that you'll have to reinstall all the apps and all that again, but that would be the final solution. And after doing a factory restore, then see if it stops the crashing issues with the ON TV. What you're going to do is go back to the home, go down to where it says settings, and then you want to go over here, and you go all the way down to System. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to Advanced System Settings. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go Factory Reset. And then of course you'll have to enter your PIN.